Good morning, my name is Obedisio Kale Garcia. My student account number is 202510026008. My teacher's name is Miss Herbie Luis Bodenmatuda. It's a pleasure to read you. I will spell my name Obedisai Garcia. I am 20 years old. I am a student. My phone number is 976291165. I live in Honduras. I am Honduran. I am short. I have a strong build. I have dark brown curly hair. I have brown eyes. I have brown skin.